How to save login info on Snapchat. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can save your login info on Snapchat. So if you are logging and logging out from Snapchat every once in a while and you have to type down your username and password again every time, so instead of doing that, you can do that and log in into your account by just clicking a simple login button. So in order to do that, what you're going to do is open your Snapchat application and you must be logged in before that. And then you can just click on your chats here at the bottom left and then click on your profile icon over here. So once you click on your profile, you'll be redirected to your profile where you'll be able to see all your account's information. So what you're going to do is click on this gear icon at the top right. And then all you have to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom, and here you'll be able to see an option that says save login info. And once you click on save login info, all of your Snapchat username and password would be saved automatically onto your Snapchat account. And whenever you wish to log into your account, you can just click on that login button and you will be able to log into your account. So when you just click on logout and just click on logout, and then here you'll be able to see an interface like this in front of you. So just click on login. And once you click on login, you'll be redirected to your profile, and that's it. You've been logged in without asking username and password. So that was how you can save login info on Snapchat. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.